This is a Nutone Verandah ceiling fan. This is the first generation. It has the friction drive motor. Pretty cool fan. I got it off of Craigslist for $25. This is not my first one of these. I had a 36-inch one that I traded to Troy Hughes. So that was stupid of me. Because I miss it. Brown motor with wood blades and brass blade badges. This is the first version I've seen with wood blades. The other versions that I saw were, it had the plastic blades with the fake cane. And yeah, go ahead and start it up on high for you. It's a little bit noisy. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It actually moves a pretty good amount of air for what it is. It has a little wobble. It was sitting on its blades when I found it. And now for the second speed, which is supposed to be low. But as you can see, there's really not much of a difference. Maybe like a 5 RPM difference, but it's maybe just a little bit quieter on the low. And an inherent feature of friction drive fans is that they stop very quickly when they're coasting down. They don't have a spin down time. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video.